It's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. Happy Tuesday. I am getting over being sick, so my voice is very froggy, but we are back at it today at the Goodwill in Menomonee Falls. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous October day. This guy is one of the gals on my team said I don't really like gnomes, but he's cute. I agree. I thought about this one long and hard to use it to decoupage in and repaint and everything, but honestly, I have so many frames to use that I put it back. But I did grab this cutie. I've had a couple of these before and they sell well. I did just say I had too many frames, right? This one's only $2.50, and these will look really cute with bunnies in them for Easter. This cool piece of art just needed a little bit of metallic paint on the edges, and for 13 bucks, it looks great in my shop. This frame will get some Christmas papers added to it, and it's going to be so good. I think this poem with the tree will sell really fast. This little guy's cute, but he didn't have a price, and I picked up quite a lot of kid art last week, so we are going to pass. This mercury glass lamp looks really cool for $7, so I will take this home, clean it up, and find a lamp shade to go with it. And this little guy's been pink tagged, so he's coming with me too. Okay, this cat creamer is really cute. I've not seen one like this before, but it had to come to the shop. I could have fixed him, but I don't have time. I've got too many other things to fix. I do love this owl. I wish his other two friends were along and I would grab them. However, meet Rufus. This is a bank from, I think, 2009. How cute is this dog bank? Another cute bank, and it's a tiny elephant. Yes, please. I feel like for a couple of bucks, this needs some twinkle lights and some greenery in it for Christmas. He was so cute, but his feet had been broken off and glued back on, and I just noticed it, so he's gonna have to stay. Always have a battery in your purse, so I scooped up that clock and look at how cute it is. This birch pitcher is perfect for any kind of greenery. Look at how good it looks for fall. And I'm accumulating another little pile of jewelry boxes to paint. This I almost took, but I just decided it was not cool enough. What do you think? Grabbing some pumpkins so you can come in and decoupage them as a make and take. One of the favorites is this blue floral. Look at how pretty it is. Paige and her mom decoupaged on Thursday night. You can come in for open paint and do some yourself, or you could do this as a make and take anytime we're open. We've got some cool new make and take options, so make sure you stop in soon. I think he's a cute luminary. What do you think? I think this would look great with some potpourri in it. We have wonderful potpourri options that come with like a huge bag and you can divvy them up, and then they have a re-scenting vial, but I decided to leave it for someone else. I've got quite a collection of little bowls for potpourri at my shop already. I thought this was pretty, but I did not think the $10 price tag was pretty, so we just admired it and put it back on the shelf. I love the simplicity and the size of this flower pocket, the wall pocket, so it came back to the shop. This is gonna look so good with a Christmas tree or greenery in it. I've been waiting for it to go on sale. We spent $104 today. I needed 2 carts to get it to the car. I think it was good. What do you think?